Here's a quick step-by-step guide to check if your Amazon account has been hacked. Start by opening your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already. At the top right, hover over Account and Lists, then click Account. This opens your main account dashboard. Now click on Login and Security. Amazon will ask for your password again. Once inside, scroll to the bottom and look for Secure Your Account or any alerts about unusual login attempts. If Amazon detected suspicious sign-ins, you'll see warnings here. Next, go back to the account dashboard and click Your Devices and Content or Manage Your Content and Devices depending on your layout. Now, select the Devices tab. This shows every phone, computer, or smart device currently linked to your Amazon account. If you see a device you don't recognize, click Deregister to remove it immediately. Go back to the account menu and open your orders. Look for orders you don't recognize, gift cards sent without your permission, items being shipped to a new address. If you see anything suspicious, click Report an issue with this order. Next, click Your Payments. Review your saved cards, billing address, and transaction history. If you see an unknown card or unauthorized charge, remove the card and contact your bank immediately. Whether or not you found anything suspicious, it's a good idea to update your password. Go to Login and Security, click Edit next to Password, and create a strong new one. Then, enable two-step verification to lock down your account. And that's it. Now you know how to check if your Amazon account was hacked and secure it fast.